Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Trak 2-axis CNC manual flatbed engine lathe, model 1630 HS-SX, serial number 084DG16618. Machine was new in 2008, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has 16-inch swing with 30-inch centers. You have the ProtoTrak SLX control, which has a few options: the advanced features, the networking, and the tracking with the digital hand wheels. Right now it's running at 750 RPM. The waves are in excellent condition. 1500, the lathe goes up to 4000 RPM. The machine has constant surface speed, 2000, threading. That's your digital hand wheel right there. You can see on the screen that while he turns the handle, the control acts as a digital readout. Sean, you might have to move a little bit so you can see there you go. There it is. Also, you have a rapid handle. The ball screws and motors are quiet. And again, the waves are in very nice shape. The machine has a Dorian quick change tool post with it, and also a 3-jaw chuck. We also have a lever type 5C cowl closer with the nose piece. That's the tailstock, which has a Jacobs drill chuck in it. The tailstock is a number 5 Morse taper, 6-inch travel. The machine's original paint, and hey, thank you for watching our video.